Good morning, kindergartners. Happy Thursday. It is beach week, so we're going to start out with another beach greeting. And today we're going to do a fun sport you might see or play on the beach. And it's volleyball. So we're going to serve our ball and hit it over the net as we say good morning. So it's going to look like this. Good morning. You want to try it with me? Here we go. Good morning. Thanks for doing our volleyball greeting. We're going to read our message, and remember, today is kind of different because we don't have any more student shout outs. So we're just going to read our message, and I'll tell you what your seesaw post is for today. Today is May 21st, 2020. Dear Smart Cookies. Sometimes I call Eleanor a smart cookie when she makes really good choices. Today is Thursday. There are only 6 more days of school. Can you believe it? You will have your last Letterland lesson with me. That's right. It's our last Letterland lesson because next week you get to do a fun choice board for the last week of school. There won't be any more videos from me or Mrs. Feldkamp or Miss Rose or Mrs. Coleman. You'll get one video from me just kind of talking about our calendar and our day. But other than that, you're going to have some really fun choices that you get to pick every day next week. It's kind of like how we started distance learning. That's how we're going to end it too. So it's going to be your last Letterland lesson with me, and you're going to see a very funny superhero appear today in the video. You're going to do writing with Mrs. Rose and music with Dr. Webster. I will read chapter 3 in Junie B. Jones is a Graduation Girl. Your seesaw attendance post. Because it's the last day with Mrs. Rose, I want you to write an object poem. You're going to read it to me, or you could just send a picture of it, or you could send a video of you reading it. So you're going to follow Mrs. Rose's lesson for this poem, but just to give you any idea of what a shape poem is, let's say I wanted to do a poem about apples. What I would do is I could draw an apple like this on my piece of paper, and then I could write my poem inside the shape of an apple. Or maybe I wanted to do a birthday cake poem. So maybe I would draw kind of like a birthday cake or something like this, and I would write the words of my poem in the shape of a birthday cake. Now, she might give you some other ideas, but those are just examples. All right. Next, we're going to do our our poem. And what I want to do is I want to erase those words that we did yesterday since I forgot to do it. And today, I want us to count how many snap words are in this poem. Oh my goodness, we did this with the Itsy Bitsy Spider. Do you remember that? But today we're going to do it with this poem. So we're going to read the poem. I want you to think about where you see some snap words. So I'll read it first so you can listen for them. Then we'll go back and circle them. I think the beach has feelings, just like me and just like you. I think the sand feels squishy and the ocean feels quite blue. The sunshine feels so warm as it shines down on my skin, and the water feels so cool, I feel like jumping in. Oh my goodness, I heard so many snap words, and now we're going to go back and circle them. So kind of be thinking, if you wanted to pause this poem first and pause the video and count them up before I circle them, you could do that. But I'm going to go ahead and circle them. Here we go. I, that's one. Think. Sometimes that can be a snap word, but I'm going to skip it. The, has, feelings, just like me and like you. Now today I'm only circling kindergarten snap words, okay? That's a lot of snap words just in the first 2 lines. Let's keep going. I, The sand feels squishy and, that's a snap word, the, oh my goodness, ocean feels quite blue. Blue can be a color word that kindergartners know, so I think I'll circle blue too. The, there's another snap word. Sunshine feels so is a snap word. Warm as, that's a snap word. It is a snap word. Shines down is a snap word. That's a tricky one. On my skin. And wow, look at all these snap words. The water feels so cool. I feel like jumping in is a snap word. Wow, let's count them. Oh my goodness, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. There were 26 snap words in this one poem. Do you see how important snap words are? And I hope this summer when you're reading books that you'll look for snap words too, just like we've been doing at school. All right, let's go ahead to the next part. That's our calendar. We're going to fill in the next number today. 20 was yesterday. That means 21 comes today. And guess what's happening tomorrow? It is our beach party. You can wear your swimming suits if you want, or shorts and a t-shirt. But remember, if you wear a swimming suit, boys have to wear a shirt and girls have to wear shorts. And it is also our talent show. Have you thought about what you might want to do? If you haven't, you still have time. And remember, tomorrow we'll just take turns and I'll call friends who are ready. And then I'll check off your name when you've had your turn so I remember who's had a turn and who hasn't. All right, but before we go on to the next part, we need to fill in our shape. I'm going to go back to here. We have flower, bird, butterfly. Flower, bird is going to come next. What do you think will come tomorrow? All right, let's move our arrows in the reading direction one space to the right. Tomorrow is Friday. Today is Thursday, and yesterday was Wednesday. Friday is one of my favorite days of the week. All right, today the weather said it's going to be sunny again, so I'm going to put a sunny down here. Whoops, and you know what? I'm going to go off of here like that. I don't want to drag the wrong one. Wow, we sure have had a lot of sunny school days in May. Now, I don't know what the weather will be like tomorrow. We'll have to wait and see. I hope it's appropriate for our beach day. All right, let's do our how many days we've come to school in May. We're going to click on our pen here and do another tally going down. Yesterday we were in school for 12 days of May, so all I have to do is erase the 2 because it's a teen number still. And we're going to add a 3 for a 1 and a 3 makes 13. All right, the last thing we're going to do is warm up our brains before we're off to our next day of distance learning. And today we're going to do our counting backwards. And here's what we're going to do. We have a little bit of extra time, so let's do our dance today. Remember, you're going to freeze until it says to move, and you're going to count backwards this time from 20. So I'll kind of get it ready. There might be a little commercial first that I have to skip through.
We get it.
Yep, that
you don't
silly
really
commercial.
want your kids watching videos, but it can have
And
certain...
skip, there we go. All right, here we go. Get ready. Remember, we're going to start by freezing. Not yet. It's going to tell us when to freeze. Here we go.
Stand up straight.
Don't move. Stay really still. Don't move. See how that boy is really still? You can breathe and move your mouth.
20,
19,
18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13,
12, 11, 10, 9,
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Everybody dance! Woo! You can move your body, wiggle around.
Shake
that
your
body
groove
wiggling.
thing.
Woo! Good
Dance.
job. Keep wiggling.
Shake your groove thing.
All right, and we're going to stop there because we didn't have that much time today. I hope that you have a great day of learning. Don't forget to send me a picture of your object poem or a video or voice recording of you reading it to me. I would love to see a picture because then I can see the shape that you made. So with that, I hope you have a great day of learning, and I'll see you tomorrow for our beach party talent show. Woohoo! Bye!